Hi guys, Sam from 3D here. In this short video I would like to show you why your renders are black, or maybe they are rendering something else what it's supposed to. For example, I see something like here, I click the render image but I see something different. So let's go, I will go step by step what can be wrong. Here you can see what I'm clicking. First thing what I wanted to mention is once you hit the generator and you want to do customization, I change the hair, I will change the clothes, I will hit the render, but as you can see it renders something different. Why is that? The reason why is because we have the animation here. What we need to do is to click on some bone. In the pose mode I clicked A, then I need to go here in the timeline, animation, and the easiest fix is to click again A and just delete, right? So right now I don't have the animation and I can simply change it, click render, and I see the same hair. If you don't want to delete the animation, you just need to click this auto keying. But remember, you are doing the animation for 3333, or just go to end of the animation, click auto keying, and you will create new keyframe just for this frame. But remember, if there is something different here or happening after, always it will render something else, because the animation is happening between the keyframes. See, we have like thousands of keyframes here, like everything is changing. So if I do the keyframe here, then go to 8000, then again I will get this render. The next step what can happen is that you are using the render engine Eve, because our libraries are not set for this engine and it's not prepared for this. This is why like it looks weird, right? So go to cycles. Okay, the another thing what can happen, for example, I will by some mistake I disable it in the renders. So this little camera icon is not shown. You just need to be sure that they are both shown, because this is shown in the viewport and this is in the render, right? So it can happen that by mistake I disabled in the viewport. See, I don't see it here, but I have it in render, and vice versa. For example, for the disabled in render, and this is what can happen. How to turn it on is to go to this filter icon and to toggle these two icons on. The next thing what can happen by mistake is that the surfaces are not on. So you need to go here to view layer properties, but if the surfaces are not on, I click the render image and I can't see anything, right? So just to be sure that surfaces are on, in the view layer properties, filter surfaces. The next step what can happen by mistake, you can turn off the lights. Good thing is that you can go and change the viewport shading here on top. And the last one is basically showing you how it will look like. But by mistake, it can happen that you don't have any lights in the scene, or you just turn it off, or this can happen again, that you just turn it off and it's not showing nicely. The another thing what can be wrong, and by mistake you just turn off the exposure in the render properties, color management, and here you see that you can play with the exposure. This is why it can be black. In our case I used 0. Another thing, it can be pretty interesting and not that visible, is that you need to go to object mode, click on the camera, and now if I'm in the camera I need to go to the lens, and I need to be sure that the clip start and end is in the distance where the camera will render the image. So let's take a look. For example, I will put 1 meter or 0.1. Click render and voila, I can't see anything. This is the reason because I have the clip start and end to close, and it doesn't have the distance to render the image. Right now it will work nicely. The same thing it can happen for the background. It can be a little bit annoying that if the clip is like 50 meters, I click the render, I don't see the background. It can be annoying because it's there, but there is like, why the hell is not rendering? This is why, because the clip end is just too low. For now, if I click render the image. If you want to move the background further, you need to raise the clip end. That's it. I hope that this video will help you and you will love Blender more. If you have any question, please reach out to the comment section, we can discuss it there, or reach out to me at samuel@3d.design. If you want to learn more about the 3D characters I used here, go to illustrations.design. If you want to learn more about our 3D libraries, go to 3d.design. We offer also custom servers, so if you want to have anything in 3D, go there, check it out. Have a great day, stay creative, bye!